Hello everybody, welcome back to the workshop. Today I'm going to be making some coach bolts, look a bit like that. Well, that's my goal anyway. They've got a 3/8 end thread on the end. This goes way back, it's off an old horse cart. It goes way back till probably 1890, something like that. I'll show you the cart later on. You can see from the end of it there, it's been hammered, so it was made by a blacksmith way back then. Just got a square-headed nut on it, and what I've made myself is a rivet header. It's got a tapered square on the end there that goes in my hardy hole on the anvil, and you can see it's got a 3/8 hole right through the middle there, and a couple of holes in the back that's my end stop. So basically I put this little pin in the end stop there, and then I get my rivet blank, which is just a piece of Rio bar that I've turned down to 3/8, not so close, turned down to 3/8, and left a blank bit on the end that I'll hammer into a head. That's the plan anyway. I've hammered a square in the end of this rivet header that goes down about that far. Well, that's the idea. So when I whack this in there, it hits the stop down the bottom and just leaves the raw part sticking out. If I heat this up red hot, it'll should sink down into that square hole and make the square, and then I can make the top part here into a nice dome shape. Now I'll just show you how that fits in the anvil. So that goes in there like that. I'll heat that up, come over with the tongs, drop it in there, whack it with a hammer till I get a dome on the top, something like that, and then I can take it out, cool it down, knock the pin out and knock my rivet out, or my new coach bolt. Nerves of steel, that one. And then I can just run a die up the end here as far as I want to make a thread like that. You can see my horse cart out there. The wood's all gone on it, but I've still got the springs and the axle, and I've made some new wheels for it a while back. They've been sitting there for a while seasoning, and the old axle's hidden down there somewhere. I'll dig the axle out later on, you can have a look. It's got something like 1887 etched onto it somewhere. It's a pretty cool old piece of equipment. If you guys want to see me assemble this cart, just give us a like and let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe so that way you'll get notified when I actually start putting it together. Didn't mean to drop it. Gonna need another heat. You see there the head hasn't fully formed, but if I give it another heat, I should be able to bash it around a bit more. Let's see how the square came out. Not very good. You've got a bit of a square to it, but I think I need to get it much hotter before I put it in. I just quenched that off, that's why it's cool. Looking a bit flat, but starting to get the idea. Not quite a square under there. I'll have to work on that a bit, but I think you get the idea of what I'm going for. But it's a 120-year-old horse cart, so it doesn't really matter what these look like. I think it'll be more authentic. I just gave it a bit of a touch up on the grinder, and it kind of looks a bit like the head of a bolt. We'll say the apprentice made that one. I think when it's bolted to a horse cart covered in crap, no one will notice. But there's Mark 1. I'll see if I can make another one later on. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you on the next one. Oh, I can't really see you.